Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're mostly welcome, queen. I am starting with freshly washed hair, semi dry, and using Cantu leave-in conditioner on my hair. Thank you for stopping by. So this is a juicy twist. Like, I'm telling you that for the time I had this twist on me, it was still soft, moisturized, and looking yummy. I mean it. Not be me talk camo. It was the hair that was actually giving me that vibe. I hope you enjoyed this video. I used anti-jackies, coil cream, and then I used jam, extra old gel, at the roots of my hair so that way it can really stay neat. You would notice I didn't use the rubber band method because I just want it to be free and juicy, and because I know after a week I'm going to turn this into, I'm going to take out the twist and turn it into a curly look, so which I'm going to upload after this video. Check it out. Alright. So I'll be using that grease. I don't know the name. I think the name is Kuza hair grease, and I use that to oil my scalp. I did that even in the back, even though I didn't show it. I did it. It is important for me to oil my scalp because I really have a dry scalp. Then I used Auntie Jackie's curling cream on the hair. Remember, this is actually moisturized already with Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I made sure I apply the Auntie Jackie's curling cream also at the ends of the hair, so that way it's like really moisturized. Then I applied jam at the roots, so that way it's neat. That's how you actually really get in it without a rubber band, and make it really last longer. And then I'm just twisting the hair against each other. Sometimes that the hair would unravel when you're doing it, just like you see how it just unraveled. Just take your time and trace it back and just keep doing it and keep doing it. The white residue you see on the hair actually leaves the hair after a while. Like, it doesn't stay there, it leaves. Like I'm telling you, after the hair actually hair dry, you don't see the white residue anymore. And I use my hands to take off the coiling cream, the excess, and just smooth it into the hair. Alright, I'm gonna explain the process again over here. Apply jam on the roots of the hair, Auntie Jackie's curling cream on the hair, grease on my scalp, then start twisting the strands against each other. And you're gonna see me take the roots right here and just twist it against the other, and gradually just keep doing the same thing, twisting against each other. And at the end, I just curl the hand with my finger. It's much more easier for me that way. So I applied grease on both sides. I applied Auntie Jackie's curling cream and then jam at the roots. Also, I tried my best to make the parts neat as possible. For the back, I can't really say because I couldn't sew the back, so I just want you guys to know it doesn't really matter. I can't really braid. I can do twist like to save my life before, but now I'm trying. So we just have to try our best. I tried my best to make it as neat as I can, and you can do that too. Just try your best to make it neat as you can. So I applied grease on both sides. I applied Auntie Jackie's curling cream and then jam at the roots. So next I used a diffuser to dry the hair so that all the products can be sealed in. Yay! Finally I am done. Dance with me. I'm going to apply that same jam on my edges and use a brush to lay it down. I couldn't find my edge brush, so I just used the nearest one I found.